What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today is a very special day. I'm going to show you guys my tech bag for 2022. I hope you guys do enjoy. I hope you do find some of these products that I show you guys very useful because I use them in my everyday, and I just want you guys to take a look and see if anything can help you out in your workflow, whatever you need. And yeah, let's get into it. So what's in my bag? Wow, it's a very heavy bag. Starting off, we've got a Chrome Targus black Chrome notebook. I love this bag. It's very cool. It's very comfortable to just carry. Like, my favorite part about it is like the back. When you're always traveling and you just need something soft, to cushion your back. You don't want like scratches and stuff like that. Well, this bag definitely does the trick, and it has these shoulders, and I love, just having these with, and also to really keep your water bottles and stuff like that. And then we've got a small compartment, two small compartments actually. I don't know if you guys can see over here, where you can just store some things. I don't know, whatever you can, some small things I guess you can store in there. And another one over here. There, very lovely bag. I do love it. I got it from Takealot, but I'll definitely show you guys all the links in the description if you want to get this bag. I really like it, and I really do recommend you get this bag. It's a very good brand, very strong and durable. So with that said, let's get into the bag with the back zip. Let's start with the back zip. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention there's like a small like key place where you can like put a padlock if you want to just lock your stuff to keep it safe. It's a nice cool accessory to have on the bag, and I love it. Yeah, so let's get into the bag. So the main compartment, and it has this thing as well, and main compartment is my laptop. I know you guys saw this from the last video, so I won't even speak much about it. Then we've got my docking station. This is a very lovely docking station. I love this so much. It's a Dell docking station, as you guys can see. Probably my favorite thing in this bag, mainly because it does so much. It has so many ports, and it really does help me out in my workflow whenever I'm connecting to a monitor, or I'm just connecting to an external monitor. Yeah, so basically, as you guys can see here, it has many different ports. As you guys can see, USB-C multi-port function. With the multi-port function, this is your VGA, this is your Ethernet, your two USB, then you got your USB-A 3 Gen 1. I love it, guys. And then obviously your power over here. I genuinely do love this. And you've got two more, I forgot. You've got your headphone jack over here, and you've got your two USB-A Gen 1 over here. So it's a very cool thing to have. It's probably my favorite. I'm gonna link it in the description. There's kind of a few, so I'm just gonna link different ones that you can get. Maybe it won't be too similar to this one, but they should serve the same function. So moving on. Entertainment. Obviously, I've got a PS Vita. As you guys can see, I always carry this around. It's very fun whenever I just want to play games. Of course I could have upgraded, but I just love this one so much that I don't want to let go of it. It has all my games, the classics like FIFA, God of War and stuff like that. So I love having this around just to play. Yeah, whenever I'm traveling in the airport or on the plane. Pretty cool accessory just to have, and I'll always keep it until such a time. But yeah, I mean, now we've got my charger for my laptop. Should have probably pulled this out with the laptop, but it's okay. Obviously this charger I'm not sure if you guys saw it from the previous video. It's USB-C to MagSafe. Here we go, USB-C Max to MagSafe. The threading on this is so nice, guys. It is so nice. I really love this threading. It's so nice. This is a 67-watt charging brick. So yeah, comes with the laptop basically. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that is basically it for the inside of the bag, as you guys can see. Now we're gonna open the front zip. This one doesn't have where you can put a padlock, so if you just want to like tie it and maybe put like a lock around here, that's what I usually do. But yeah, you just do whatever feels right for you. And we open the main zip, so the front zip. So the front zip has my glass case. Obviously I wear glasses, so I just always have to carry this around. Put this to the side. We've got a glass cleaner. I don't know what this is called, but it's basically cleans your screen whenever like your screen is dirty, and it's got a little microfiber cloth over here. It comes with it. I'll try find a link and link it below so you guys can check it out. It's very cool whenever you're traveling, just to have this to clean your screen whenever your screen is dirty. It really does save a lot when you need to clean your screen, whether it be your laptop or your phone, whatever it is. This is always got my back, and I highly do recommend you guys get something similar to this, if not this brand, but something similar. It doesn't have a brand, but yeah, just get something similar. I highly do recommend this. Put this aside. So now we've got a brand, Prodigy. I'm not sponsored by them, unfortunately, but if they are watching this, I genuinely do like a sponsor. But anyways, yeah, I genuinely do like this phone case, but I'll explain it later when I have my phone. But let's just put this aside for now. So basically, the small compartment over here, this is the last thing. This is my lifesaver. Like sometimes when I'm too like don't want to connect too many things, like my docking stations for example, this helps me to just connect straight into my laptop. And then I have this USB part, which I can just like charge a phone, Samsung phone, or my iPhone with my charger, which I'm gonna show you guys just now, but I'm just gonna hold on to this for now. Yeah, so then we've got headphones. These are JBL. These are JBL headphones. These are both wired and wireless headphones. I do genuinely like these headphones because you can connect wired and wireless. So whenever you are, wherever you are, you can literally just connect these straight into your phone, and it comes with a cable. Literally just plug it in whenever you don't have battery, and it also has Bluetooth, so you can just literally flip the switch and then it powers on. I highly do recommend you guys get something similar to JBL. It's a very good brand when it comes to music and just accessories in general, like headphones, speakers. It's a very good brand. I do highly recommend you guys check out these specific ones. I will try link them in the description so you guys can check them out. Also some comparative prices, because these do cost a little bit, but not too steep, fortunately. But I definitely tell you guys, it's worth it. I've had these for some time and I still love them. They're still my favorite pair of headphones to have, to own. Yeah, so let's put this aside for now. So we've got my hard drive, obviously. Just open this up real quick. We've got Transcend. I have a Transcend 3.0 USB hard drive. It's a 1 terabyte. Costs about I think 1,400, I think, but I will link it below. It's a very good hard drive to have. I genuinely do love this brand because it has lasted me a long time having this hard drive, and I genuinely do love having this around in my bag whenever I just need to connect like this. It stores all my files securely like this, and then you get this USB 3.0 like this. I genuinely do love this brand, Transcend, very good brand. I highly recommend you guys do get this because it will save you quite a lot. It's a bit pricey, but it will save you in the long run. I promise you that. So then we've got a Logitech M185, 2.4 gigahertz. This Logitech is probably my favorite mouse. It comes with mini USB adapter so that you can like, oh yeah, also another point that I use for my laptop whenever I just need to connect, I just connect this straight in like this, boom. Then I don't have to use my docking station or anything like that. It makes life so much easier. It does also come with the battery, so you guys need to also just like get one battery. Probably best to get a rechargeable one so that you can recharge it. And yeah, this is a very good mouse. I love it. You guys should definitely check it out. Yeah, and yeah, let's move on. Okay, so we've got a HDMI to VGA video adapter. I just have this because you never know when you need to use a VGA video adapter. Just nice, cool thing to have as an accessory in your bag. Comes in very, very handy. I promise you that. So let's put this aside. Okay. So now we've got is this the end of the bag? Oh no, sorry, I forgot my chargers normally stay here. Got two chargers. This is a USB-C, this is a USB-C, and this is a USB. These are both 10-watt bricks, charging bricks. So yeah, nothing too special about that. And then the two cables that come with it, basically the USB and then the USB. Always nice to have two different chargers for my phones. You never know when you don't have this part and when you also don't have vice versa. So it's always good to have both worlds and both parts just to have. You never know when you'll need them. Yeah, I think that is basically it for my bag. Yeah, that's basically it. As you guys can see, the bag is now empty. I love this bag, very durable. Like I said, that's basically, oh, I forgot to show you guys, there's another zip over here. I don't know what you guys can carry here, but you can carry something. You guys can figure it out. It's very good for students and professionals, as it says in the description. But yeah, yeah, that's basically it. So now I want to show you guys what is in my pockets. So in my pockets, I've got two devices. I've got a iPhone 7 32 gig. This is my old phone. Basically what you'll see here is basically the same on my phone, on my new phone that I'm gonna show you guys now. It's a very nice phone, very compact. I like the build of this phone. Like, it fits into the palm of my hand, and it's always just nice to have, you know, a phone of the past. And I genuinely love the rose gold, this aluminium rose gold. I hope they bring it back in the newer iPhones. I hope so, but a boy can only hope so. But yeah, then in my left pocket I have a iPhone 13. This is the base model. It's a 128 gig. I bought this case. Like I said, now I can bring out the case. I bought this case, this Prodigy case, so that you guys can see this case. I have two cases, so you guys can see the two cases that I bought. It goes with the phone so nicely. This is MagSafe, so whenever I just need to connect to a MagSafe. Guys, this Prodigy case, I really love it. I think it was a very good investment. It says like you can drop it like 2 meters. I'm not too sure. I'm not gonna try it out, but I think so because it's actually very thick and it looks really clean on my phone, in my opinion, with the MagSafe at the back. I don't know what you guys think, but it does get a bit of like fingerprints. I don't like the fingerprints, but it's just something you have to deal with. But it's not that bad. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys loved the video. If you guys like the case that I have or anything, just let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see another one, just let me know. And I hope you guys are safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.